You are back and without the orange car, mister. So the orange car left. He took off after the car, and then I was doing dinner and he starts barking at a vehicle that was going past on the road. So I was like, wait, you're here and the car's not here. Okay. So anyways, but this is what the weather is like today now. We had some good days last week. It is windy today, and that adds a little bit of the chill to the day. But we have like Zippo snow, except for like right there around the roses. But other than that, it's no snow. There's snow on the mountains over there, but we have no snow. It's either really wet in places and muddy, or it's just mud that's not really wet. But I'm gonna go and check. So we're above 40, or we're just barely above 40. So let me open the door here. Okay, falling. Okay, try not to stuff that, but this is the back. See, this, when I left for church yesterday, there was patches of snow on here, and now nothing. There's nothing there. So it's over here, nothing. Like, we don't have any snow anywhere. But bandit surprise, I'm on. But yeah, it's just there. And then up there, that way, there was snow all over up that way, but there's hardly any up there anymore. So this is just the weather we've got today. There's hardly any snow. There's a patch of snow right there. So it's windy today, so it's a little more chilly. But this yesterday was it was literally like a sponge that was too full of water through here. But now it's dried out enough. It's still wet, but not as wet as it was. Oh, that's a little bit chilly there. Hot. So, but yeah, this is just the weather. Today we're just off enjoying, I guess, no snow and not having the winter weather that we had last year with all the huge piles of snow and the mountain that we had on here. But okay, it's getting a little chilly out here now, but yeah, this is my weather today, is just wind and no snow. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in tomorrow's. Oh, you scared me, Bandit. You just came out of the corner of my eye. Nothing. But yeah, this is the weather that we are having. And just enjoying. Don't be inappropriate. But we're just enjoying the day out here, and I think I might come out a little bit later. Bandit, okay. Do you wanna say bye? Huh? Do you wanna say hi or anything? Okay. We'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys. Say bye. Thanks for watching.